Hello students, let's start with our next practical of electronics measurements and instrumentation. The experiment name is use of function generator to generate different types of waveforms. The function generator is used to generate various types of waveforms like sine wave, triangular, square, ramp and pulses, as well as we can vary the amplitude and frequency of the signal by using function generator. This is the function generator. This knob is used to vary the frequency or amplitude value of the signal. Frequency selector switch, amplitude selector switch. Functions. This switch is used to change the waveforms on CRO like ramp, pulses, DC, sine wave, like that. Start, pulse duty, offset, start, stop switch, time. This is used to see the time of waveform in seconds. Output knob is used to connect the CRO and function generator to see the waveforms on CRO generated by the function generator, like this. Let's start with our observation table. This is the observation table: sine wave, triangular wave, square, ramp and pulses. We will measure the amplitude in volts, time in microseconds, frequency in kilohertz and the actual waveform. This is the sine wave. We will select sine wave by using function knob in function generator. Sine wave, let's measure its amplitude. The small lines measure for 0.2 value in a vertical lines. These 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6 and 1.8. 1.8 multiplied by 2 gives the amplitude value. Next, frequency. We will measure the frequency like to measure the horizontal lines on CRO. Same as vertical lines, horizontal small lines measures for 0.2 value. This is the 1, 2. 2 multiplied by time per division 0.5 gives the frequency on it, and the time gives the time in microseconds and the waveform sine wave. We will draw the sine wave as we see on its CRO. Let's see another waveform. This is a triangular wave. Likewise, we will measure the amplitude, time and frequency as we measure for the sine wave. This is the square wave, ramp wave, and these are the pulses. Thank you.